Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever wondered what makes a billionaire invest in crypto? When reports surface about Donald Trump allegedly purchasing $100 million worth of Ethereum, the crypto world was shaken. This isn't just another flashy move, it might be the spark of something monumental. Ethereum, often called the backbone of decentralized finance, DeFi, has been silently building its empire. Now the stage is set for an explosion. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's an ecosystem. And with SEC regulation shifts, bullish analysts, and rumors of big name endorsements, the stars seem to be aligning. But is Ethereum ready to take off? Stick around as we dive deep into the signals that suggest Ethereum is on the verge of rewriting the financial rulebook. Suspenseful opening. What if I told you the former president of the United States might be betting on Ethereum? Yes, Donald Trump's alleged $100 M investment in Ethereum has set the internet ablaze. While some see this as a simple business move, others view it as a calculated play to back the future of financial innovation. Ethereum isn't just another coin, it's the foundation for NFTs, DeFi, and the future of Web3. But why now? Why Ethereum? Is this the moment Ethereum breaks its $7,000 price target and cements itself as the king of cryptocurrencies? Let's uncover the layers of intrigue behind this crypto powerhouse. 1.SEC eliminates SAB 121, a paradigm shift. On January 23, the SEC rescinded the controversial SAB 121 rule, a move that could change the game for Ethereum and the broader crypto market. For years, this rule required financial institutions to classify their crypto holdings as liabilities, creating unnecessary friction for big players trying to dip their toes into the blockchain ecosystem. Its elimination signals a more favorable regulatory environment, and here's why that matters. Think of institutional investors as massive cargo ships. They're slow to move but bring significant weight when they dock. With SAB 121 out of the way, these ships can now freely unload billions of dollars into Ethereum and other digital assets. What once felt like a locked door is now an open gateway. Ethereum stands to benefit immensely. Why? Because it's not just a digital asset, it's an entire ecosystem that powers decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and smart contracts. This development could also trigger a domino effect where other countries revise their crypto policies, further legitimizing the space. In short, the SEC's decision is more than a green light, it's an invitation. For Ethereum, it means increased adoption, enhanced liquidity, and the potential to finally solidify its status as the go-to asset for institutions worldwide. 2. Analysts are bullish on ETH. The crypto world is abuzz with optimism about Ethereum, and for good reason. Analysts like Marcus Thielen have identified Ethereum as a low-risk, high-reward investment at its current trading price of $3,325. But what makes this moment so special? Let's break it down. Ethereum is currently forming a triangle pattern on its price chart, a classic indicator of a potential breakout. Think of this as a coiled spring. The more pressure builds, the stronger the explosion once the resistance level is broken. If Ethereum can push past its resistance zone, analysts believe it could easily rally toward its ambition. But technical analysis is just one piece of the puzzle. There's also growing interest from institutional investors. Major financial players, from hedge funds to family offices, are eyeing Ethereum not as a speculative bet, but as a cornerstone for future financial systems. And with the recent regulatory tailwinds, their confidence is only growing. What's even more intriguing is the timeline. Many believe this breakout could happen sooner rather than later, with factors like DeFi adoption, regulatory clarity, and increased media attention acting as accelerants. In essence, Ethereum is not just a crypto asset. It's a rocket ship waiting for ignition. 3. Ethereum price target speculation, $7,000 is just the beginning. Let's address the elephant in the room. Can Ethereum really hit $7,000? According to industry insiders, the answer is a resounding yes. While skeptics may view this as overly ambitious, there are solid fundamentals supporting this prediction. First, consider Ethereum's role in the DeFi space. DeFi is revolutionizing traditional finance by offering decentralized lending, borrowing, and trading platforms. And guess what? Ethereum powers the majority of these platforms. As DeFi continues to grow, so does the demand for Ethereum. Next, there's the scarcity factor. Ethereum's transition to proof of stake has introduced mechanisms like EIP 1559, which effectively burns a portion of transaction fees. This deflationary dynamic reduces the circulating supply over time, adding upward pressure on the price. Finally, the broader macroeconomic environment also plays a role. As traditional markets face headwinds like inflation and geopolitical tensions, Ethereum emerges as a hedge. Investors are increasingly viewing it as digital gold, a safe haven asset that also happens to underpin some of the most exciting innovations in tech. In summary, $7,000 isn't just a pipe dream. It's a milestone that Ethereum is well positioned to achieve thanks to a perfect storm of growing demand, limited supply, and institutional adoption. 4. The power of Ethereum ETFs, unlocking mass adoption. Ethereum-based exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are quickly becoming the golden ticket to mainstream adoption. For years, Bitcoin ETFs dominated headlines, but the narrative is shifting and Ethereum is stepping into the spotlight. Why? Because Ethereum offers far more utility than just being a store of value. It's the backbone of decentralized applications, dApps, and DeFi. The approval of Ethereum ETFs could simplify the investment process for both retail and institutional players. Imagine your average investor who's curious about crypto but hesitant to navigate wallets, keys, and exchanges. ETFs eliminate these barriers, allowing anyone with a brokerage account to gain exposure to Ethereum seamlessly. This opens the floodgates for new capital to pour into the Ethereum ecosystem. Moreover, institutional players who have strict compliance requirements find ETFs an attractive vehicle for crypto exposure. With the SEC showing signs of regulatory clarity, the odds of Ethereum ETF approval have never been higher. And when this happens, it's not just a ripple, it's a tidal wave. Ethereum ETFs could also accelerate the integration of Ethereum into traditional financial systems. Think of pension funds, endowments, and sovereign wealth funds finally having a straightforward way to invest in Ethereum. This would inject billions, if not trillions, into the market, pushing Ethereum's price to unprecedented levels. In short, ETFs are the key to Ethereum breaking out of its niche and into the mainstream consciousness. 5. Trump's Ethereum bet, marketing genius or visionary move. Donald Trump's alleged $100 Ethereum purchase has set the crypto world on fire. But let's not just focus on the headline. Let's unpack what this could mean for Ethereum's trajectory. Firstly, Trump's involvement brings a level of intrigue and legitimacy to Ethereum. Love him or hate him, Trump is a marketing powerhouse. His rumored investment isn't just a financial move, it's a statement. It signals to his vast audience that Ethereum is worth paying attention to. This type of high-profile endorsement could catalyze a wave of retail and institutional interest. But it's not just about influence. If Trump truly sees the potential in Ethereum, it's likely because he understands its role in shaping the future of finance. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform that enables smart contracts, DeFi, and tokenized assets. Its real-world applications make it a far more compelling long-term investment than speculative altcoins. Lastly, there's the political dimension. A figure like Trump betting on Ethereum could force policymakers and regulators to take crypto more seriously. It could accelerate discussions around crypto-friendly policies, creating an environment where Ethereum thrives. In essence, Trump's rumored investment isn't just about profit, it's about positioning Ethereum as a cornerstone of the future economy. Conclusion. Ethereum is no longer just a cryptocurrency, it's a movement. From regulatory shifts like the SEC's SAB 121 revocation to bullish price predictions and the potential impact of Ethereum ETFs, the signs are crystal clear. Ethereum is on the verge of an explosion. Add to this the intrigue of high-profile endorsements like Donald Trump's rumored $100 MBET, and you have a recipe for a seismic shift in the financial landscape. This isn't the time to sit on the sidelines. Whether you're a retail investor, an institutional player, or just someone curious about the future of finance, Ethereum is a story you can't afford to ignore. The question isn't whether Ethereum will explode, it's whether you'll be ready when it does. Now, let me address some burning questions you might have. A lot of people ask, 1, why is the revocation of SAB 121 important for Ethereum? The removal of SAB 121 eliminates a significant barrier for institutional investors, allowing them to hold crypto assets like Ethereum without classifying them as liabilities. This makes Ethereum more accessible to big players, boosting its adoption. 2, how reliable are Ethereum price predictions? While no prediction is guaranteed, Ethereum's fundamentals, rising DeFi adoption, deflationary supply mechanisms, and growing institutional interest make bullish targets like $7,000 plausible. 3, what impact could Trump's investment have on Ethereum? If Trump's rumored $100 M investment is true, it could bring legitimacy and attention to Ethereum, encouraging retail and institutional investors to follow suit. It could also spark crypto-friendly policy discussions. 4, what role do ETFs play in Ethereum's growth? ETFs simplify Ethereum investment for retail and institutional players, opening the doors to massive capital inflows. Their approval could drive mainstream adoption and significantly boost Ethereum's price. 5. How does Ethereum compare to other cryptocurrencies? Unlike many cryptocurrencies that act as mere stores of value, Ethereum is a platform for decentralized applications, smart contracts, and DeFi. This utility gives it a competitive edge and positions it as a leader in the blockchain space.